Well, hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm going to bring you a quick, cute little vignette. I'm just going to add my riser. I'm going to add my farmhouse scale and a wreath to each one. Top them with a few eggs. Y'all, this is simple. Just doing it as a quick one. That gives it a pop of color. Now I'm going to add my dough bowl and a little Easter bunny and just a few eggs. But it makes quite an impact. I just love all the pops of color. Now I'll eventually do my tablescape, but that's just a sneak peek. Hey, if you're not subscribed, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Come back for some more Easter decorating.